Rocko out for a little car ride. He's still healing, but we're just going for a little ride. Just taking our time. Yep, Diggy.
Toss and turn into a dizzy.
Diggy.
It won't ever change what you did. You could shake your fist at the storm. It won't ever become timid. I lost a piece of me out at this sea. I've been drowning in the breeze, trying to please everybody.
Ooh, sheesh. Ooh, it gets pretty muddy there. Hey, Rock. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. You wanna say screw it? Let's say screw it, bud. You got my PB&J. You took my PB&J. That's okay. It's actually peanut butter and honey, so he's okay. And it was only like a little bit. You gotta get up before we do this. What do you think, Rocko? You ready? Let's go. I got my belt wet a little. Good boy. Now this one I do not know about. I just want to make it to that dry land past it. You're in the branch. Rocko! Good boy! Alright, now that we got out of those ruts, we'll have a nice calming drive, huh, Rocko? Good boy. I've been wanting to talk about just something. I just gotta put my mind on it. But one thing with Rocko's surgery and everything, I'm having to worry about him a little more than normal. Because as a dog owner, I guess you worry about him. You know, you think of things, you think the worst sometimes. But you just kind of get a grip on it. But it's just, Rocko just had an ear hematoma. It's no life-threatening stuff, nothing like that, but I just hate seeing him so down. And he had the bandage on for a while, and he was just so just down, stayed in his crate and didn't do much. And my boy is always super energetic and ready to go, so it's just like, dang, kind of sucks. Just sucks to see him like that. But he's doing a little better now. He has some swelling on his stitches, which I gotta get checked out. It could just be regular swelling, like inflammation. I've been giving him his pills and everything. But he's doing good though, huh, buddy? Yes, you are. But he loves car rides. And right now, if he walks around too much, he'll shake his ear around. But in this car, he's perfectly good. And he loves it. So I wanted to get him out a little. Yeah. So that's what we're doing now. Oh gosh, this is a big one. I'm not even going to think about it. We're just going to go. We made it. Good boy, buddy. I didn't want to drive through this stuff, but we're going to have to. That one looks big. I'm not going to do that one. And my belt's squealing, but that's okay. It's just from the water, my rock. But it just makes you think about how short their lives really are, and that I just want to give him these experiences, even though he probably doesn't care about off-roading or whatever. But it's not really that. It's just he gets to be out in nature, you know. And even though he can't run around too much right now, he can at least see it. Oh, but this seems a good little crossroads. I'm gonna pull off and finally. Getting tired of going through the rough stuff. But one thing I've been discovering is, yeah, very short lives, and we just got to make the best of them, huh, Rocko? That was perfect cinematic timing, buddy. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, you just got to give them the best life you can. I guess that's the moral of the video today. So have a good one.